Welcome to the TWO Therapy Extremity Chamber Equipment Assembly tutorial. Before using TWO multimodality oxygen therapy, please refer to the device instructions for use. An AOTI representative must have provided you with the following equipment and accessories. Make sure the controller's power cable is connected to the clip before you start. Begin by connecting the DIS oxygen hose to the connector located on the side of the controller unit. Then connect the alternate end of the DIS oxygen hose to the outlet on the oxygen concentrator. And set the flow meter to over 10 liters per minute or fully counterclockwise. Take the interface hose, also known as the blue hose, and connect the smaller Quick Connect plug to the Quick Connect socket on the controller unit. The sockets are key to ensure proper alignment and secure connection. And finally, connect the humidifier interface cable to the humidifier output on the rear of the controller. The TWO extremity chamber system is now ready to be used for the TWO extremity chamber therapy. To start with the therapy, watch the video on the TWO extremity chamber system application video tutorial.